This time, you want to put your best post player, which usually for us was our 4-man over here, okay? We call it up because we have box down. Box up, your bottom guys are both setting up screens. They're both setting up screens. So we'll dribble over. Hold on, you're going to wait. Stay over there. Dribbles over, up screen, okay? Up screen, and we're looking right here to see if we can get a switch or maybe just a missed assignment. Once you up screen, you're going to pop. You always put your best shooter and your best post scorer on the same side of the floor. So this is my best shooter right here, box up, okay? On the reversal, you're setting an up screen for the 5-man over there, and he's looking for a lob right there. Wait on that screen, up screen, looking for the lob, not there, you're popping out. Point guard is sprinting through the other corner. After he misses the lob, he's going to look for a screen. So reverse it, double screen right here. I'm coming off this, stay over there. As soon, this is just kind of just some misdirection to kind of get you looking. He's coming to this corner, that's our best shooter. Now we're setting a little flare screen for him right over the top. So once he runs off him, you're coming right here, boom, dribble at him, 2 dribbles, 1 dribble, throw it over the top, shot. All right, box handoff, we'll walk through it, or box up, we'll walk through it real quick. Here, you be me, okay? Dribble over, reverse it, and then cut through the baseline. Okay? Up screen, coming to post, good, come on, sprint to the corner, up screen, reverse, bam, fade screen right here, boom, over the top, got it. Those are our 3 best plays. When it comes down to it, our team knows what we're running.